Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the Binance app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of assets. Simply select it. Then here you can find the option of withdraw. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the withdraw method, which is P2P trading or the withdraw. Now simply tap onto one. After selecting it, one thing to remember, you need to have the verification of KYC and the SMS. So first complete them. After completing them, you can simply see these kinds of options, and only after that you can withdraw the money. And that's it. This is how you can withdraw the money from the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.